Hi everyone. Today's National Foam Rolling Day, and so we wanted to give you guys a quick tip on something that you can do to help improve your squat. So a lot of times, if you're doing air squats or weighted squats, a lot of the times people have issues with dorsiflexion or how far you can bring your toe towards you. And so what you can do is you can foam roll kind of your Achilles tendon area or kind of behind your ankle at the bottom of your calf to help loosen up that area to give you a little bit more dorsiflexion, which will ultimately help you squat with correct form and allow your body to look better as we go up the chain and keep more of an upright chest while we squat. And so all you're going to do is you're going to kind of point your toe away from you and kind of release some of that weight, and so that you can put a little bit of pressure from your leg onto the foam roller, work on loosening it up, kind of rolling your foot over. And if that's not enough, you can use a foam roller with bumps on it or different texture if that works better for you, or you can advance to a rolling ball.